your shadow in the archway, drifting through the air. I hear the old walls speak in a voice I know, like rain in the keep and the ember glow. Hold me in the hall, let the silence stay. The night is not so heavy when you say my name. Stay with me here, stay with me near, stone heart, soft air, I can breathe here. Stay with me here, stay with me near, I will not fear if you are here. Silver on the moat, wind in the yew, faint light on the banners, falling pale and blue. Your palm on my sleeve, my pulse slow and wild, like a benediction from the oldest child. Hold me in the hall, let the silence stay. The night is not so heavy when you say my name. Stay with me here, stay with me near, stone heart, soft air, I can breathe here. Stay with me here, stay with me near, I will not fear if you are here. And if the fog comes in and the gates turn cold, I will keep your lantern, I will keep you whole. Even the deep dark learns to kneel.